This is our main product, BioTractor. Let's see more about it. Tractor is a mode of vehicle for farmers to ease their task. This is the motor in a tractor which is used to run the vehicle and used for various purposes in the field. Let's move to the front part. We all are currently using diesel or petrol based engine system which consumes a lot of petrol or diesel. Instead of that, we are using battery system which can be more eco-friendly and convenient. Instead of engine system, incinerating mechanism is kept here. Cold body is kept in one box like water, ice, etc. And biodegradable wastes are burnt in another box using petrol, kerosene, etc. When hot body and cold body reacts together, forms Peltier effect, and electricity is generated using Peltier module as shown. Let's move on to the place where battery is located. Battery gives power supply to the whole vehicle. Solar panel is kept in the top part of the tractor to generate additional electricity. When light falls on the solar panel, from PN junction diode, power is generated and the power recharges the battery. Diagram represents the inbuilt connection. In easier way, power from the solar panel and Peltier module recharges the battery. The battery gives power to the other mechanism like motor, light, etc. to run the vehicle. Without any change in the existing design of the tractor, we can implement this. This will be more eco-friendly to our environment. Wastes can be destroyed in this tractor itself. This can give multifunctionality help to our farmers. Come on, let's get into our BioTractor and see how it works. This tractor can be remotely functioned using Bluetooth module. Let's on the button. So there will be no need of farmers to drive this. While the vehicle moves, it emits smokes due to the incineration of the waste. In order to reduce air pollution, we will be directing the smoke via tube for condensation process. After condensation, the water gets contaminated. This contaminated water are stored in tank. Stored contaminated water is purified by the process sediment filtration. All the impurities from the water are removed and the fresh water is stored in tube settler tank. Purified water can be stored for irrigation process. Irrigation process is done via tube which can water the plant frequently. While burning the biodegradable waste using incineration process, ashes are formed. Since we burn biodegradable waste, these ashes can be used as fertilizers. Thus, this gives good yield of crops. Finally, farmer can harvest their farms using BioTractor. This tractor can be controlled by Robo Vehicle app which can move in all directions, so no need of person to drive the tractor.